sat in the yard at Rupert's with an electric welder because the manifold had rotted away, so what it was doing, it was sending all the smoke through the radiator and doing fan belts in, and you couldn't get manifold anywhere.
Yeah.
Don't just, no matter what you ask for this engine, nobody knows what it is.
How old is this?
There's a maker's plate on it somewhere on the other side.
I saw the maker's plate on the other side.
Yeah.
I'll have a look.
3 cylinders per head.
Oh, you mean, I
Yeah.
thought you meant 2 cylinders in there. They're actually 2 cylinders in the head.
Oh no, sorry, no, it's 2 cylinder heads on one engine.
A bit slow. Yeah, I get you
don't
now.
worry, yeah.
Yeah, it's like...
It was late night last night.
Yeah, it was. Like the later, the man ones, the...
Ah, right, yeah. You
with
know,
the
your big
Volkswagen
Cummins have
in the
individual
Volkswagen.
cylinder heads, don't
Yeah.
they? 1 per cylinder. No, this just has 2 between the 6.
Thinking.
Sounds big a compressor, that is. Massive. Hear it for miles. It's awesome. I just see the compressor like that. In a building like that. I've got the old beams back from Sandblasting. I'm really pleased with them. It turns out they're an old hay rack. We've sort of found out. That's the reason for the holes, the squares and that. And yeah, pretty much just subscribe to my YouTube if you haven't to see the whole build.